Hello everyone, PRF here, and welcome back to another episode of PRF Unboxing. This is episode 10, the final episode of season 1. And today I'm going to be unboxing Now 100 Hits 80s number 1s. So, time to unravel this. Oh, here we go. So last episode of PRF Unboxing, we unboxed Gorilla's Demon Days. So this is Now 100 Hits 80s number 1s, which includes 5 discs and a quiz. Here's the spine, here's the back. Okay, so it comes with a booklet, and it comes with 5 little booklet things. Okay, let's look at the booklet. So this is the booklet for Now 100 Hits 80s number 1s, and I think it contains questions. Oh, it actually does contain questions. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it contains 100 questions. That's neat. Now here we have is the little CD packets. Starting off, we got is disc 1. Here is disc 1, yellow and pink. Here is disc 2. Disc 2, bright yellow and pink. I think they're the same disc colour. Nah, they're different. Oh wait, I just picked up 2. Disc 3. Yeah, I think they're the same. Disc 3, yellow and pink. Disc 4. Disc 4, bright yellow and bright pink. I think they're just the same. I think I'm just saying it wrong. Oh yeah. Disc 5. And here is disc 5. Alright, so that is it for Now 100 Hits 80s number 1s. So, thanks for watching my unboxing of Now 100 Hits 80s number 1s. This is PRF. See you in Season 2 of PRF Unboxing. See ya.